Hey guys, welcome to Turn and Burn Canada. This is the last ride of the 2025 season, but not the last video. My thanks to all of you who have watched and hopefully enjoyed my videos. Your continued support has been amazing. Thanks so much. 2025 was an excellent riding season for me as I rode over 9,600 kilometers this year, and although that's not the most K I've done in a season, it's the most I've ridden in several years. The season started with fresh Michelin Road 5s on my Kawasaki Z900 RS, and I rode most of my favorite roads and also explored some new destinations. Among my favorite roads were Muskoka 13 and 518, and a ride out to Goderich to check out the Bayfield Volkfest Vintage Volkswagen Show, and several rides into Eastern Ontario on Highway 7. New destinations for me included Prince Edward County and Base 31 for the Motocraft Show, my first visit to the Moto Social in Toronto, a ride to Fort Erie for the Fall Throttle Show and Shine at Pete's Classic Cycle, and finally the best ride of the 2025 season was a trip to PEI. I've never been to this beautiful province and I loved my time there. Riding through Quebec twice and New Brunswick twice were absolutely fantastic as well. Homeward through Quebec, I spent an extra day exploring the Laurentians with a ride through the Mont Tremblant area. What a fantastic area. I'm definitely going back. After Tremblant, I rode through places like Calabogie, Bancroft, Haliburton, Minden on the way home just to string together some of my favorite roads. It was epic. For the first time in many years, I didn't ride through Algonquin Park this year, and I didn't ride either 35 or 507, so they'll definitely make the list next season. "2026 will be my 40th riding season, so I have some great rides to plan over the 6 months of winter we have to endure in Southern Ontario. Stay tuned, keep an eye out for new content, and enjoy your ride."